Hello and welcome to this new video on my channel Off to Office. In this video we are going to be talking about another new function of Microsoft 365, and this is sequence function. The latest Microsoft 360 function has some amazing functions and sequence is one of those. These functions help you generate n by m sequence of numbers, and the best part of it is that you enter formula in one cell and entire n by m data is spelled spontaneously. Therefore, you don't need Control Shift Enter anymore. Let's look at its syntax. Sequence functions takes 4 arguments: rows, columns, start and step. Values of all the arguments, these all 4 arguments, rows, columns, start and step, defaults to 1, and with the condition that we need to provide at least the first argument, that is rows. So we will start with the very simplest use of sequence function. Sequence, say 5 rows and 5 column. I want to write 1 to 25, 1, and my step, that step means what increment I want to give to 1. I want to give an increment of 1. So what does happen? See, entire 5 by 5 1 to 25 numbers are spelled automatically. Now you can also use this function in combo with other Excel functions, and this is not just limited to generation of numbers or generation of sequence of number. It can also spell a sequence of dates. See how you can do that. So say you want to generate a sequence of dates from 5 rows or 10 rows and 5 columns, and my today's date is, you can also key in today or say simply use date function 2020, say first month, first day, and I want an increment of 10 days. See how efficiently and how quickly these all 5 by 10 dates have been spelled. For your reference, I'm copy pasting it and putting it here. After dates, you can also perform mathematical operation with or without ML function to generate. With sequence function, you can generate some other useful functions of Excel and without using that functions. For example, I am going to sort 10 datas with the help of sequence function. See how you can do that. I'm using rand array function to generate 10 random numbers, say 10 rows, 1 column. Minimum will be 50 or maximum will be 150, say, and these all have to be integer. So 10 numbers have been generated, and since this is a volatile function, so in order to ensure that it does not change with every click, I am making it constant. Control C and Control Alt V, this value and number formats. So these are 10 random numbers, and I am going to short it. In one of my video I told you about how you can use let function, so I will use let function here, and let, say this is list, this is a variable, and I'm assigning this variable this range. So this is my list, and then I'm going to generate a sequence of number from 1 to 10. So that is, say I'm naming it as series, say SCRIES. This is another variable, and I am assigning this sequence 10 rows, 1 column. So if I leave it up to here also, only 10, all default values will be set to 1, so I can leave it to here also. This means a sequence of number have been generated from 1 to 10. Now I'm going to use small function. Say I'm going to say I intend to arrange it in ascending order. Small function, array will be list, and k means first position, second position, third position. So for that I am using this variable that I have just defined, series. That's it, and you press enter and your numbers have been sorted. Now after dates and this sorting, you can also perform mathematical operations with or without ML function to generate multiplication table or other desired patterns. See how you can do that. Say I want to generate a table from 11 to 20. So what will I do? I will generate first sequence and this will be my sequence, and this time my sequence will be 11 to 20. 11 to 20, so that will be 1 row and 10 columns, starting with 11 with a step increment of 1. So this gives me 11, 12, 13 till 20. I want to create a table of each numbers. What I am going to do, I will multiply this row into 1, then this row into 2, third row into 3. So I will generate a sequence of 1 to 10, but that will be vertical. So I will simply multiply it with another sequence which will be 10 rows but 1 column. I can leave it to here also because default values are set to 1. So this equal to, so 10 1 1 1 equal to 10 alone. So see, I have created a table of 11 to 20 so easily. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. If so, don't forget to subscribe, share and do press bell icon so that you receive notification of all new videos. Thanks for watching.